Hey everyone, it's Bob again. It's Monday morning, and the load that he was planning on us taking, it got pushed back, so we're just kind of grabbing some stuff around local again. So we got to head up to Provo, and we got to pick up some tanks. Excuse me, not tanks, vessels. They're very particular about what we call them. I don't know why. They're some kind of a container to hold something. That's why they call it a vessel. So we're going to head up there and get loaded. Okay, there's my load of 2 vessels. Luckily they had some holes on the legs, so I could run the chain through and pull back and pull forward. And then 2 over the top, same up there. They say that tank is really thick metal. They said 3 inches thick, so I'm sure that's about the same as that right there. So it's really heavy. Okay, well, we got all loaded and we got to head up to North Salt Lake. These vessels have to be heat treated, so we're taking it up to a place up in North Salt Lake that's going to put it in a big furnace, and they'll heat treat it. So we'll head on up there and get these unloaded so they can do that. Okay, well, we got them unloaded. Now we got to head back down to Springville to swap trailers and get my original load. Okay, we got back down here to Springville, dropped the empty trailer. Well, we're hooking up to the sand that I dropped this morning. We got to take it up to Salt Lake, so we'll head back up there. Well, we just got home and we got all unloaded, got back down, grabbed the other trailer and went back up and got unloaded again. The double trip to Salt Lake, that's not one of my highlights, but I guess. Anyway, so tomorrow I guess we're gonna be getting a load that's gonna go down to El Centro, California is what I hear. So, and this truck's gonna go in the shop to get the damage fixed, and so we're going to be trading out trucks tomorrow, so we'll have that to look forward to. So we'll see how that goes, so we'll get going on that tomorrow.